Chef, what's for dinner?
This is for dinner.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Do. I'm gonna cut you. You look silly. Hi, gorgeous people. Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Well, it's what? Good afternoon for us. And it's hot. How many times I start a vlog since the summer and says it's hot?
It's hot cause.
I am cooking. It's hot cause.
Because we're in the car, lock in the car.
Man, yeah, but you can wind down the window at least.
Can wind and open the windows.
And my little poo sleeping. Look at his face. Look at him. Oh, isn't he cute? He's so cute. Anyway, guys, guess what? 300 subscribers!
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, guys. It's been 2 months since we started and we are at 300 and growing, and it feels good to see all the support that we've been getting from everybody. We appreciate it and we love you guys, and thanks everybody for watching. And I hope the new series that I've started with my hair and cooking, I hope you guys will be enjoying that as well. I'm going to try and have as much cooking videos as I possibly can, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so we are about to head on vacation in a few days. Well, we have 2 different places to go, so we will be heading to the south. Baby, can you fix your face? The sun that hot?
I'm doing rabbit face.
We will be heading to the south of France.
Sister getting married. So.
Oh yes, his sister is getting married. So we're heading to the south of France, and if here is this hot, the south is going to be 3 times this. So I guess I'll just be walking naked in the streets.
And that's someone from Jamaica who's talking, so.
Yeah, but come on now. Jamaica hot I can handle, but France hot is to a different level when it's hot, trust me. So we're on the road getting some stuff done before we head off in the week, and then when we get back a few weeks after that, we will be heading to liar. Sorry guys, we'll not be coming to Jamaica right now. You guys will know where we'll be heading. So we're gonna head out and get some stuff done, and we will catch you guys later. Yum yum. You guys, Tyler's eating biscuit for the first time. Thank you. You're so sweet. Guess who is 11 months today? My baby's getting old. Can't he just stay baby for the rest of his life already? Can't believe Tyler will be 1 year already. Papa, you'll be 1. You'll be 1. So I reached the store and I realized that I didn't have Tyler's snack in my bag, and it was his snack time. So we had to come back home to get his snack. So we're feeding him snack to go back on the road to look at you too. Give Papa some of your biscuit. Give it to Papa. Give it to Papa. Thank you. Give some to Papa. Give some to Papa. You not giving Papa some? Can I tell you guys what this boy eat a lot? Tyler have yogurt. He have a pot of apple, pureed fruit. He had 2 biscuits, and he's still going. Happy 11 month, my love. Mommy love you.
Happy 11 months, Tyler. What did you plan to do today, Tyler? What do you plan
Thank you.
to do? You plan to start to walk?
Come, get some water. Water. What amount of water did you put in his cup, love? Big boy holding his own cup. Look at him. He just took it from me. He's just drinking away. Look at you. Look how cute he is.
Listen.
Yeah. You're enjoying snack? Yes. You're enjoying snack? Say hello. Whoa. Look at him drinking his water. He's such a big boy. You're a big boy? You ain't gonna stop? You're gonna drink until it finishes? You're gonna drink it all. It's bath time. Wait. Oh, 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 oh. Do do do. I'm gonna cut you. I'm gonna cut you. So Tyler is off to bed after 8 now, so of course it's his bedtime, and we had a long day, so I'm sure he's tired and he won't be up until 8 tomorrow morning. That's how he sleeps. It's mommy and daddy time, so I think somebody's in the kitchen cooking. So hubby's making dinner tonight, so let's go and see what he's making. Hi, chef. What are you making, chef? What's for dinner? Chef, what's for dinner?
This is for dinner.
So that's what chef's been cook. That's what chef is going to cook.
That's what chef is going
What
to
are we
cook.
having that with?
Just
That's some nice cuts
fries.
of beef.
Just gonna do some fries.
Okay.
Easy.
So he's gonna do some fries and some nice cuts. So I'll be chilling while he's cooking. How sweet is that, Trevor?
I like when you cook.
You're in cook duty? You're not proud of your cook duty?
I'm proud. Every time I cook, you eat my food like in no time. So that I don't have pleasure of being in the kitchen.
Okay, chef. Alright, I won't disturb you. I'm gone. See you when food is ready, okay? Alright? Chef not answering.
Chef focus.
Chef focus. Chef says I have to come out of his kitchen. He's too funny. He's so sweet. He's such a sweet husband. So I'll be relaxing while dinner is being prepared for me. You guys, this is dinner from the hubby. I can't remember when was the last time my house smelled this good. I swear to you. Right, babe?
Well, it smells good. I'm proud of me, and I hope you're gonna enjoy.
We don't feel like going around the table, so we just kicking it in the couch. So that's dinner. We're gonna have our dinner and probably play some games and chill for the rest of the night. Babe can't wait. He's already digging in. We just feel like chilling here.
It's 8:30 p.m.
We don't normally eat this late, so.
And people want to know if it's good, so you need to try. The meat, not the fries. Everybody do the fries.
I'll tell you guys later. The fries is good, but just by the look of the meat, I'm sure it's good. So we're going to just end this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Yum, yum, yum.